Hey guys, thank you so much for showing interest in the LinkedIn Pro Workshop. This is Justin, your host for the entire session. Let me quickly walk you through what all we will be doing in the 10 days action pack LinkedIn sales automation journey with some related evidence of success that you can expect post watching the workshop. First one we have is buyer-oriented LinkedIn profile. You will be able to create a profile that would be hitting the pain points or will highlight the need of your product or service to the buyer. Hence, will improve the connection request acceptance ratio and message reply rate as well. Quickly navigating through my own LinkedIn profile, where I am working as a business development consultant with Lean AI. If you review my profile, nothing related to sales you will find in my profile. I have used some fuzzy words like AI ML to generate some interest in the buyer, sharing the client testimonial in my LinkedIn About section to earn some trust, then sharing some demand generating articles in the featured section to create the need. So this is how we are going to improve the connection accept ratio by making our LinkedIn profile buyer oriented. Second we have is consultative selling. Post exploring the consultative selling series videos, you will stop texting or spamming your clients with your product or service related information, pricing information, features or other service product related thing. I believe you guys are currently following something like this which yields zero response. Post watching the workshop, you would be consulting your client by creating the need, evaluating their pain points and then hitting the concerned areas with your solution. The same helped me in my LinkedIn sales journey, generating 27 qualified demos in a month with C-level executives and have generated around $50,000 business in a year for my company. This is how you will start getting responses from clients to schedule a demonstration session, to schedule a next level call with you. Now we have enough knowledge on how to go about consultative selling. We have a buyer oriented LinkedIn profile and we also have consultative message templates to use. Now is the time to set everything on automation. We're gonna generate hundreds and thousands of leads in a minute, auto connection requests with personalized note, auto follow-up messages, messaging in bulk to all your first degree connections. When I talk about lead generation, you will be able to generate leads like this in just minutes with important elements like their LinkedIn profile URL, their name, their designation, country and everything around it. Post we have a data like this, then we're gonna automate sending connect requests to all of these prospects with personalized outreach. By personalization, I just don't mean their name, I mean their profile title would be there in our outreach messages as well, and this gonna improve our connection acceptance ratio up to 80%. Post they accept a connect request, then we're gonna send them message sequences in the interval of 2 to 3 days. All you need to do is to take care of warm leads who are responding to your messages for scheduling a meeting to evaluate your product or services. Now you have hundreds of inbound leads who would like to explore your product or service. You need a CRM where you can keep a track of conversation for fruitful follow-ups. Maintaining data on Excel is outdated and it takes a lot of time. In this part, I will be sharing the best-in-class CRM that will help you in managing records efficiently. Remember, on LinkedIn, we have put our prospects on message sequences. On CRM, we're gonna put them on email sequences. We're gonna, ping them again and again till the time they respond. Again, no selling messages we're gonna use. We're gonna use some consultative message template that generate around 70% of response rate. Now you might have understood I will be your sales consultant or advisor to consult you in digitizing the LinkedIn sales automation journey by following the principle of consultative sales. Sounds interesting? Then sign up for the workshop. If you have already signed up, then day one is waiting for you. Let's make a buyer oriented LinkedIn profile.